I look dirty. She's stunning. Hey guys, I'm Mackenzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking on Venetia's 2006 party girl look from SALTBURN. Specifically her look from the 6-second long tennis scene. This one, I can't stop thinking about it. I feel that this vibe is like dirty party girl Barbie, and I love that. Anyways, let's get started on the makeup. I'm gonna start by putting in green contacts. These are my favorite ones. So I haven't tried the green ones before, so I'm hoping that they actually do something to my eyes because they're super dark. I can't believe that these contacts actually did anything to my eyes because they looked so light in the container. We have greens now. And here's our wig. We're gonna cut to yesterday when I made this wig. She's stunning. And then we'll do the makeup transformation. Today we're going to be a hairstylist and create Venetia's iconic roots grown out platinum blonde wig. And I'm gonna show you the supplies. So it's really easy, 2 things, all you need. I have actually done this one time before and I know that doing a root smudge, I think that's what it's called, is not exactly unstressful. So keep that in mind. I used this last time. It is the L'Oreal Magic Root Rescue. And I got shade dark brown as a level 4, which I think is gonna be perfect. And then this is the wig I got. This is my standard go-to 613 lace front human hair wig. It's linked to my storefront already. So if you wanna use that, check it out. But it's really good quality and it's pretty good about being thick all the way to the bottom and not just like stopping halfway through. I love getting a new wig in the mail. That smells really weird. Should I be putting it on my head straight out of the box? Am I gonna get like lice? I think it's definitely long enough and voluminous enough. And plus once I wash it, it'll be like longer. Welcome to the salon corner. I have done a clarifying shampoo. I decided that I'm gonna wait to do the purple shampoo because I've had a problem of doing that first, putting dye over it, and then the purpleness of the shampoo doesn't all the way get out. It impacts the color of the dye. I haven't dried it. I think in my mind it will be easier to do this if it's wet. This is in Spanish. Oh. So like I mentioned, I have actually done a root smudge twice before, both on Harley Quinn wigs, and if I'm honest, they did not turn out amazing, so I'm trying to do a better job this time. And you can see me here parting it vertically, which I think would have worked if I had a full lace wig, but it was not working. It was getting all over the like back strands of the hair. So I started with just doing the lace frontal, which is a 13x4, and then I'm actually going in between each of the different layers of the wefts that are sewn in the back. You can see there, I'm just going in between that actual line where it's sewn in, and I'm doing about 1 inch and then smudging it down with the brush attachment on this applicator. The whole process took me about 20 minutes, so then I left it for an extra 10, which probably wasn't enough for the bottom, but since I started with the top, the visible parts are fine. Then I just went through and washed it in my sink, making sure to use my stainless steel sink and not my white bathtub in case there was any color transfer. I shampooed a bunch of times and did one quick purple shampoo and then conditioned it, and it came out like this, and I am shocked. We're back, and although that was a stressful process, I actually am so insanely proud of how the wig came out. So let's put it on and let's transform. I feel like doing the wig first is cheating, but it's just gonna help so much with the aesthetic, and then it won't mess up my makeup by putting the wig on last. Before I watched Saltburn, I had no idea the plot at all. I was just like, oh, that Murder on the Dance Floor song is really catchy on TikTok, and everyone seems like they're having so much fun dancing. I did not realize it was a psychological thriller. My face the entire time was just, no. Okay, I'm just cutting a face frame on here. Pretty casual. The face frame is cut, it's looking okay, and I'm actually covered in hair, which is not surprising or unlike me. I feel like I'm always covered in wig hair, and my house is always covered in wig hair, but this looks like okay. So let's get into the makeup now. To start, I just did some primer. My guess is that she probably uses an all over foundation. I was 10 in 2006, so I can't vouch for what the actual makeup routine was, but I'm just gonna use a lot of concealer and a tinted moisturizer and hope that cake on some powder and hope that that achieves the look. We're tinting, we're moisturizing. This look is not as much about the skin for me as it is about the smudgy 2006 eyes. As long as we kind of get there, it's fine. Then we'll go in with concealer under my eyes. I'm actually so excited to do the smudgy eyeliner look for this because when I was 10 years old, unlike the 10-year-olds running rampant in Sephora today, I didn't know anything about makeup. I don't think I even started wearing makeup until I was 13 and had pimples that I needed to cover up. And my mom solely gave me Bare Minerals, which like I feel like was a perfect start. I had like an extended childhood. I'm the first year of Gen Z and the last year of millennials, so I feel like I got technology and I got social media, but not until my brain was developed enough. Anyways, here's our base. I'm gonna put some powder over it. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows upward and then kind of smooth them out to make them a little skinnier. But hers aren't terribly like, I think I'm having a glitch in the matrix because I did not purchase a new brow pencil in this size, but it appears to be never used before. Okay. I love my Benefit brow gel, but it never lets me in. I just got this Fenty Beauty contour stick and I'm gonna try to use it to make my nose look a little bit more like hers and do like a shadow around my face. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little bit close to my skin tone, so I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, I need to move you guys to another angle. Okay, new angle unlocked. I have perched this camera directly on top of my mirror, but I feel like we're gonna be able to see things better.
Okay, I've never used this product before, and truthfully, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just following what I've seen people do on TikTok, and their faces always look so snatched. This is the Fenty Beauty, I think it's called Matchsticks Contour.
Kind of love this thing. Let's just really go for it. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. That's something. I probably should blend this. And what should I use? I guess this. I need to get a blending brush. I don't really feel like there's a whole lot of blush happening in this look, but I am gonna use this like tanned one because she's spending her whole summer in the sun just literally baking. For bronzer, I'm just gonna use my Hoola bronzer. I'm not trying to do like an expert makeup look because I assume that most of her makeup is just slept in and just proceeded with the next day. If that's what she does, then I respect her because sometimes in college I would sleep in my makeup and the next day it would still look good, so I was like, okay, I'll just proceed. I'm actually so excited for this. Okay. My light keeps dying. I don't wanna concealer my lips, but I feel like I should a little bit concealer my lips. Just like a little bit. So good looking. Then I'm gonna take my favorite Pink Honey and put it over top. See, it's like, it's perfect. Unexpected slay. The lighting is just changing constantly, but I have to charge my Alex Earl light, so we have this one for now. I need to discuss the eyeliner that I have purchased specifically for this look. It is Pat McGrath, and it's called the Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil. And let me tell you, I walked in and I was like, I need someone to direct me to your most smudgiest black eyeliner. And this did not disappoint.
I'm purposely not showing you that much of the eyeliner because my eyeball is freaking me out.
I haven't done eyeliner like this since I was 13. And clearly, I'm not doing a good job. That looks not good, but we're gonna smudge. Also, I look extremely orange. I like wanna smudge with the brush, but I think I'm just supposed to use my fingers. Just more, just always more. I look dirty. Punked Eye Palette by Smashbox. And add a little bit of sparkle to my inner corner. I might actually do some just on my lid in general. I need to fully wash my hands and go look at this in a different lighting. Okay, I'm calling this makeup like kind of done, and I'm just gonna go do some accessories and change my outfit so we can have the full aesthetic. Like this to be my normal hair. I just want this to be my normal clothes. I mean, I guess it could be because I do own these things. This is where we're at. I think the makeup came out actually amazing. Not bad for an hour and a half on a Sunday morning in my house. Let me know if you guys think I should do the full cosplay of the tennis outfit with the fringe jacket and the purple jumpsuit. and do a photo shoot on a tennis court. I just feel like that's such a vibe. That wraps everything up. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this chaotic tutorial. Not really a tutorial, just hanging out with me while I turn myself into Venetia from SALTBURN. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cosplay content. I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube this year, so there should be a lot more coming from me as long as I can sustain that. I have a lot of exciting costume plans for 2024. Of course, the day that I released my official cosplay list, I watched SALTBURN, and now we have a bonus cosplay. So let's see how long I can stick to this list for. But thanks again for watching so much. I really appreciate it, and goodbye. I'm specifically always and only feeling myself when I'm in a extremely camp cosplay. I wish I could just be this every day, but there's no point of just doing this in my house.